Hey, boy, where you at? No, I ain't doing nothing. Shit, I'm on YouTube. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Hey, viewers. What are you doing? Oh, there's my friend on the phone there. Yeah, he pisses me off. Okay, last video I made, I wanted you to comment. But nobody's commented yet. So, this is my second video. All I want to do is some just random shit. Okay? I want this posted all around the globe. Okay, guys? Good? Okay. So please watch this video. Thanks. Okay. All I want to show you in this video is, well, wait one sec. Just one sec. Just one sec. Sorry if it takes you long. Sorry. So I'm gonna let you listen to a song. Tell me what you think of it. Comment. Whatever you need to do. Just tell me what you think of it. Forgot to tell you. This is the flood. One sec. Right, forgot to tell you. This is the Flood, Escape Fate. If you like Escape Fate, you can find their album, St. John's Quarter Book, wherever you want. Except not in Walmart and Grand Falls Winter. Probably not find it anywhere there. Okay, continue listening. Okay, boys, this is for Escape Fate. Please comment. Okay, boys, please comment. Okay. Peace out.